I've made a lot of strange things on this channel before. This might be one of the strangest. This is Dill, and today I'm gonna be building a coffin for him. I can explain. So I understand you may have some questions, your first question being, why? Basically, a few weeks ago, Dan and Phil asked me and Sophie if we could help them with a little project they're working on. They want to film a funeral-themed sketch in which Dill emerges from a coffin. So my job today is to figure out how we're gonna build it and build it. So like any project, the very first thing I do is get down a very rough design and some very vague dimensions.
I have died.
Then we used Sophie to get a closer idea of the size of our coffin, which was not weird in the slightest. So using some pretty unheard of, unorthodox methods, we have some rough dimensions for our coffin. Let's go, coffin floppers. With my notes in hand, I hit up my local hardware store to get some supplies. It really got me thinking, I wonder how many people have made their own coffins using MDF. Could I be the first? This is the wood for the lid of the coffin right here. It all just fits in the car, which means the build can properly commence. You know the drill, no pun intended. Actually, big pun intended. To build your bespoke sim coffin, you will need the following: clamps, screws, a saw. Anything else? And that's it. I mean, let's not kid ourselves here, it's a box. It's a box that goes in the ground, to be forgotten about for eternity. Let's not think about that. Did it just start raining? Is this rain? It is. Oh my god, are you kidding me? But it's so bright and sunny. So with the help of the Foodster, I waited for the showers to pass by marking up my wood, preparing it for the big chop. So I've cut down all of my panels for the coffin. So we're gonna try attaching them with brackets. I have an idea in my head of how this is gonna work. So something to note is that these brackets are at a 90-degree angle, and this coffin is gonna be a little bit more angular. So we need to try and bend these. So as you can see, we just need to bend that back a little bit, and then the two boards should attach together. Perfect. So we got one bracket in. It's a little imperfect, but that's my style. That's what I do. Do you need an imperfect coffin? Did you not really love your loved ones? The perfect way to send someone away that you don't really want to spend a lot of money on, but you feel obligated to do so anyway. Oh my god. So far, so good. 3 panels down, 3 to go. So I'm just pre-drilling myself some holes because we're having to drill at awkward angles. And I'm having to drill like this. Good enough for a sim. The basic frame of the coffin is complete. It's looking very coffin-y, very coffin-like. You don't really need any more room than that, do you? I mean, even this is a bit too fancy for me. When I die, just chuck me in the trash can. I don't even care. I don't have the appropriate workstation to cut a piece of wood this large, so we are adapting, we are improvising, and we are overcoming. Now the big question, does it fit? Yes! Ugh, who died? And so I've decided to launch my very own competition. One lucky viewer will be buried in this coffin. So if you would like to enter, just comment, "Bury me, PJ," and I will arrange the service. So yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I think I got the wrong address, sorry. So, coffin update. We've bought these wooden moldings that could make quite a nice edging along the coffin, make it look quite ornate. We have some handles to stick on it as well. I mean, to fill the gaps, we need to paint it. So I'm thinking a strip of this molding should actually make the coffin look quite regal. And I think I'm just gonna attach it using hot glue. That seems to work. Now we just need to do that around the whole coffin. Oh my god, look at that. Is that not just the fanciest coffin you've ever seen? I'm pretty sure most coffins are held together with hot glue. We're testing paint colors. We're thinking this brown's quite nice. Taking this coffin to Browntown. And I don't mean underground. All right, while Sophie paints the lid, I'm gonna fill the gaps. Oh, I think I've misunderstood. They said bring crisps to the picnic. not bring crypts. Oh no! Oh wow, look at that, holy shit. Well, hot dog, look at that.
Quite weird to be painting your own coffin, you know?
I've never really thought about that before, yeah. What a lovely evening to build a coffin. The coffin is now dry, and take a look at that wood grain paint effect. Ooh, so unintentionally beautiful. Final thing to do is to put some handles on this. We got these Georgian drop handles. These were the most coffin-like things we could find. Sorry if you have these on your kitchen cupboards. We're gonna need a bigger haul. I feel like I could go into a new line of business, coffin building. You need a coffin built? Hit me up. It looks exactly like how it's supposed to look, which is always amazing. So the final thing is to get it into the van, and then tomorrow is the shoot day, so we can see this bad boy in action. And believe me, there is gonna be some action. Coffin transition. It's nice for Phil to have his like individual, this is Phil's moment.
His action moment.
His action moment.
My action moment.
We've got Sean stumbling in.
Yeah.
That's good as well. And then it's like, who is this character? And then we get to see, oh my fucking god, that's Jacksepticeye. What's going on?
That's fine.
I'm just filming behind the scenes while you're
Okay,
talking.
thank you.
It was quite natural until you noticed.
Yeah. Wow, I just didn't just this giant phone where your face should be. Fuji is helping.
Yeah, PJ is the director now.
Literally,
Thank you, Phil.
classic cat, here's your bed. No, I'm going to be on the one
I am the storyboard.
Yes.
We'll block it out and find another route, but that's the essence of what we're doing anyway.
Excellent.
Throughout the day, we got lots of behind-the-scenes snippets of the shoot itself, so please enjoy this little sneaky behind-the-scenes footage.
Don't mind us, just a Tuesday in Brighton.
Don't tell,
just film.
The coffin is in.
KickThePj corpse removal.
It is a service we provide.
I'm already filming it, Phil.
Oh, sorry.
You content hog. I see you.
1,000-year-old organ. It's 1,000 years old.
So fresh.
So fresh.
I thought there'd be a family of spiders living in him, but...
We're gonna have Dan busting the doors open.
Bust those doors open.
I'm about to bust.
Chop 9, take 1.
Great. When you're ready, Dan, go for it. Let's just do a really crazy one. Just fucking throw the doors open.
Ow.
And it was so perfect as well.
Hopping the same. There we go.
Okay. Wafting. Clip. Settle. Action. That was really good. Great.
Beautiful.
Action. Action. Jesus Christ! Jesus!
Could we get a Christ on a bike?
Christ on a bike! Holy Mary, Mother of God! Great Scott!
Camera.
32, take 2.
Sweet.
I always knew video games were satanic!
Yeah. Really let it. Hell is real! Really just let it go.
Hell is real! God has forsaken us! Okay. Can you get him on camera saying that first in case I get in trouble?
Yeah, we got it, right.
Hell is real, I blame the gays.
Why did you say that, Jacksepticeye?
I'm Priest Sean now. Actually, that's worse. Hell is real, I blame the gays! Scene Scene 24, take 2.
Mother of God.
Alright, cool, cut.
And so, the shoot was a success. The coffin worked out perfectly, actually better than I expected, and everybody seems to really be enjoying the video, so I would say mission accomplished. This was honestly so much fun to shoot and direct, so thank you Dan and Phil for asking me to be part of this project. And building the coffin was actually a really fun challenge too. You might not want to bury anyone in it, but it's gonna make a great Halloween prop when we put it outside our house this year. I wanted to give you a few extra fun and cool facts from the shoot itself. Number 1, the original rest in peace standee sign that I made, it totally had a typo on it. It said the word hiatus, and we didn't clock it until on the day after we'd filmed it. So Sophie went out, printed another one on the same day, and we got the shot. Yeah, that's my bad. Number 2, whilst I was not in the Dill costume myself, I am the voice of Dill right at the end. We needed him saying daddies, so I did my best Sim impression. Daddies. Number 3, the green light above Dill's head was not a digital effect, it was practical. I knew that I wanted to animate a plumb bob over his head, specifically for the reverse shot where it rises out of the coffin, and so I thought the best way to supplement that effect would be with an actual light glowing on the head. So we had Sophie with a really long boom pole holding a green light above the head. I thought it was very effective. Number 4, Sean, our priest, was not wearing a wig. I saw a few comments saying, wow, that wig looks so great. Not a wig. Sylvia, the hair and makeup wizard, took Sean's real hair and face and completely transformed him. And number 5, we got Phil to say his line, what the fuck, a total of 27 times to make sure we got the exact right take. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little behind the scenes of making this project. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos. And I think I'm gonna throw the full storyboard up on my Patreon. So if you want to take a little bit more of an in-depth look at that and how that compares to the final video, maybe check out the Patreon. Cool, thanks for watching, stay rad everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. In Schulte Zombo, everybody. In Schulte Zombo.
What the fuck?
Okay, I think we got it. Cut.